And this is my heels that I'm gonna wear for driving later. And we're gonna take this off. Smell, comment down below what's the smell. Everything is good, and then let's eat first before we drive. Hello everybody, Asang Filipina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's very hot day today, and okay. Hello everybody, Asang Filipina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I still have the same nail colors, still have the same nail polish, and today I'm going to drive wearing these heels. So that's my but before we go, I'm going to eat. This is banana cue. This is turon in the Philippines, and I'm going to eat first before I go. This is banana. I'm gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. So inside of this one is banana, and they wrap it up with the wrapper. So with sugar, and you fry it into sugar. You fry it into the sugar oil, then they put sugar in it. So let's eat. No diet for me. I put my feet here because it's cold. It's near to the aircon. Delicious. I'm done. I still have more. I'm gonna eat later, but I see that my feet is dry. I'm gonna put some lotion in it. So that's all for now, and let's go driving.